mm here, machine will cut 1 time 8 mm. If I give here 4 mm, machine will cut 4 mm first and again 4 mm, means 2 time. So I give 4 and this is step over. This is for the engraving. Okay, and material setup. Material setup, we have 8 mm wood, so we should make sure we will mention here 8 mm. Top offset always give 0 and then we press OK. So here our toolpath is ready. So here is our simulation 2 time, and then after that we will go here and save this toolpath. This side, if your file sometime will happen here, file can read this side, but you make sure that this area will not read. You must have press this arrow and bring this file to the right side, and then after from here model master 3 axis flat mmg format for machine output. Then we click save and then our toolpath is ready for cutting. Then we go to the machine and cut only here. This is cutting is finished, cutting toolpath is finished, and we will see engraving toolpath on next video. I hope you like the video and stay with us for the more informative videos. Thank you.